Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to open an account in Dhabi Islamic Bank. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to open an account in Dhabi Islamic Bank, you will typically need Emirates ID, password, resident visa if you are not a resident, and then in order to open up your account, what you need to do is simply head over to the App Store. Then on the search bar type in ADIB mobile banking. Then on the search list simply look for an app icon like this. Then simply tap on it and then tap on the get button and follow the on-screen instructions to simply download the app. Then once the app is installed, what you need to do is just simply launch the application by tapping on open, and you will see a welcome or sign in screen. Now here what you need to do is simply tap on open an account by simply tapping on join ADIB. Then here this option is often shown promptly on the login screen. Then here you'll be guided to enter your personal details like full name, contact number, Emirates ID and password details. The app will scan or ask you to take photos of your Emirates ID and password. This is a part of verifying your identity. Then next is to choose your account type. You may be offered options such as savings account, current account, electron or digital account, and these are typical personal banking options. Then next is to verify identity. After submitting your details, the app will send an OTP code to your mobile, asks you to confirm details. Some versions of the app use fake recognition matching your Emirates ID. Once that's done, what you need to do is review and sign electronically. You'll see terms and conditions screen, summary of your chosen account, and a button like submit or confirm. Simply tap on it and you will tap to accept electronically. Once submitted, the app will shows a confirmation screen. Your new account number appears and you may get options to set up login right away, and you will also be guided to set a password or PIN and may enable biometrics like Face ID or Touch ID. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.